Everyone's telling you to trust God, to lean on His word, to stand on His truth. But here's what nobody's actually asking. How do you really know what is true? Because if you grew up in a church, a religion, or a marriage that turned out to be built on something false, that question isn't theoretical. It's survival. I spent years believing things about God that weren't God. And it took losing everything I thought I had to finally meet the real Him. Today, I'm showing you the framework that changed everything. It comes from the U.S. Treasury, and it will change how you read your Bible, evaluate relationships, and discern what is actually from God. Hey friend, welcome to Beyond Believing. I'm Katie Ann, a certified life coach, single mom of 5, and a woman called to walk alongside divorced Christian women as they rebuild their lives with Him. Today, we are starting a 2-part series on one of the most foundational questions any of us can ask post-divorce. What is truth? And how do you actually know it? Because if your marriage shook your identity, if your faith has been questioned, if someone you loved and trusted taught you something about God that turned out not to align with His word, this question is not abstract. It is the question your healing depends on. Here is what we are covering today. First, why what you believe is the root of everything in your life. Not what you say, not what you perform, what you actually, truly believe.